Gentlemen, boys and girls, Maswati Lamahle, it is finally happening. Mhlaka 30 kule nyanga le nyalo November. Sidabe sina Penwell the Black Pen, bafethu you know the vibes. Uqhamuka lapha Convo Show South Africa and Nyamati Penwell the Black Pen. Sidabe lapha eMtsimba View for a live podcast session. Please make sure ukuthi le live podcast session niyeta nita nema camp chair, nita nema throws hlala phasi, drinks and food kutaba khona ku venue bafethu. Sidabe siba ne live podcast lapho khona into khona kubuta Penwell the Black Pen, nibe ne one on one naye. Sidabe sihlezi nje podcast setup live bantu bayabuta imibuto ku Penwell yaphendvula bakutaba khona ne meet and greet bafethu ticket nje ling R100 tabe kuyi Sunday. It's more like a chill out Sunday bafethu nangabe sothi noke ema groove niyoshukumisa umtimba manje atholakala kuMoja ticket ling R100 nje ticket bafethu Moja ticket. Make sure you come out in numbers singa nonke kusime lapha the podcast family Rockstar family tabe kublog ama camera sihleli phasi konke kutabe kumnandi with Penwell the Black Pen from South Africa. Sunday, mhlaka 30. See you guys there.
Ngabambeleleka kakhulu Mswaka Fumet.
Aw, kanjani?
In life. Anthropologically, impilo si define ngekuthi history repeats itself. Lo ngiko wena namhla kungumthelela walabe bangiko. Labatsala kunawo.
Kune video yakho wakhunga esihlahleni lapha eMbuleni uthe eMbuleni, what was the story there?
The truth of the matter lapho ukuthi abazange bangikhunga esihlahleni, but I used my mind. Ngibona lamaphoyisa emmango. Umuntu lo seceleni kwakho is either he makes you or breaks you. Make sure ukuthi umuntu lo umbonako ukuthi uyakwenyanya msuse eceleni kwakho. You can't afford this life with haters. Haters will take you to the grave.
Superstar Rockstar Level bafethu, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu nani ngasubscribe. Siyacela nje nyalo, take a moment bafethu. Pause le video. Subscribe ngalaka right nje ku YouTube. Lokhu ubukela nje ngaka right YouTube. Chafate khona, dase kuvela ibell. Phinze uyichafate nale bell so that every time nangabe siletha i-video lakini yangena esikhaleni, you are notified ukuthi ibanelo siphinde udrophile on the biggest YouTube channel in the country. And look, subscribe akuhambi imali because some people think ukuthi kuhambi imali. It just helps the community to grow. Ukuthi every time nangabe siyadropa baningi bantu that are tuning in and watching on the space yabo. You see what I mean? So njengenjwayelo bafethu we out here at the Declare Store silaka Manzini. Make sure you come through at the Declare Store. Declare Store bafethu is doing it big for the culture. Nyelo ngithe Black Degree ngabe ngathi indigenous Africana. There's local brands in the shop. Nabo Spova came through. Hey guys, nabo played out. A lot of local goods are inside the shop. A lot of local brands inside. Tandla temaswati, yasebenda bafethu. Nyalo the guest that I have, and I'm telling you guys, ukuthi nasikhoka le post, ukuthi ke ngibani umbuleni ufuna kumbona la kule podcast. Uhambe embili, hey, uyavilita, and we always make sure guys ukuthi we try and deliver bafethu. And this is the one and only, the prophet. Lona akuswene ukuthi ngidathi ngiprophet, ngiapostle. Apostle langisongetulu kwa prophet. Kuba njani utasichazela? Apostle Bishop.
That's me.
Makuluve. Oh, ngathi beef now. Izanti.
Kuna babuyise kube chicken.
Yeah, apostle. Mpostoli. Is it mpostoli? Amen. Sakwamukela ehlelweni.
Thank you so much Bhuti Banele. Ngibonga kugcina ngiphumelele ngibe khona. Ngivusele nabo bonke labangibukelako wherever you are. Within our country, outside and abroad. Sithi luthumali bekuJehova. Nivuselwa ngiyo ingunguluzane kathe kwasaba igunguluza abafazi namadoda.
Ay. No, lokuthi ngithi ungiprophet ukuthi tiningi letinto lotenda kujagulisha tinto letiningi. I'm sure nala prophet uyathela nakhona. I'm sure ngoba nasekuhlabeni wafika wathela nakhona. Yonke indzawo usespacini. So bese siya confuseka ukuthi ingunguluzane ibahudla ngakuphi this time. Nyalo sobahudla kuphi nyalo umephi nyalo ubashuka kuphi nyalo.
Cha bagunguluza yona kathe kwasa bayigunguluza.
Whoa.
Abafazi ayigunguluza umuntu otherwise yona yatilungela nje indodza kaNkulunkulu. Kepha ke asibonge banele to be specific sikhona ekhaya eSwatini siyasebenza sihledi kamanzini siyamkhonda uNkulunkulu and impilo yachubeka.
Apostle, bishop. Mina nje angikwathi ukuhlukanisa lokho singangeni kakhulu eniveni lokho wadenda ukuthi usho ukuthini apostle ngoba ngivile ukuthi apostle isho ukuthi you are anointed straight by God.
Basically I definition le dude na ukhuluma ngeapostle sithunywa umuntu lothunywa uNkulunkulu. A sent one is an apostle. And again, the wider meaning can say libandla nje la Jesu Kristu because lithunyiwe lonke. So in its nature it's apostolic. Lelibandla nje now uthi nje usinzisiwe umukele Jesu ungene ebandleni labapostoli because Jesu kude lelinye lapha inze wabuya washiya the 12 and so wabathuma. So ngeke singema products alo lithunyo lalaba labathunywa noma ke ukuphi noma ukuphi nediga. So by its nature lelibandla la Jesu Kristu li apostolic. Bese ke sekuba ke ama specifications ukuthi ke on your own wena uNkulunkulu ukukhethile wakuthuma direct wakuneta a higher calling above the calling of the church. Then sewungathi ke ungumapostoli. Otherwise besivele sikuba apostoli singakabi bapostoli.
Hey, leyo bathi correct kakhulu laba more into Christianity laba understand that deep. Why do you think emaswati afuna kangaka ukubona la show ngecabanga kwakho nje ngoba ngisho mbamba nangithi uhamba embili
asikuthumise naloko banele. It's an honor and sithula sihluthu shasihluthu siyasaluta lokuthi bantu bafune ukubona labanye bangafuna ukubona for what they think bachaza kuko labanye of course for your gift. Mawukhuluma ngamakulube ukhuluma ngemuntu very unique. Mina ngidikhanza ukuthi ngiunique kakhulu nami ngihle ngitibuta uthi hey ngimi nalona ndithole ukuthi ngiyabona so no uNkulunkulu nembala kukhona something special he put in me. So ngeke ngibe na one line answer kule questions. Ucabanga ukuthi abafunelani ukubona ngidawuthi nje usibayithanza ikulubela abantu.
Kulubela. Sisilapho ngovu yakhuluma nyalo uthi tema kulube. Is it makulube or makuluve?
When you write it has to be makuluve. Makulube because of localization.
Okay.
Ukhulumeka kahle masithi makulube.
Oh, okay.
Kepha when you go to the origins Mozambique it's makuluve. Okay. Even the C becomes k.
Okay.
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 It's C for k. Nangibhala sengifaka lo k ngathi bese bathi maculuve. Sengindalo ukuthi ngoba amaswati afuna ukuthi konke bakubide ngeSiswati ukuthi maku sesifaka ke k. But otherwise the C is correct. Sekuthi the pronunciation has to say maku
luve.
So now it's a makuluve. We are okay. Now it's a makulube. Sometimes the V becomes a B. Nge east.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So ngoba la cingweni lami mina ngabhathi makuluve.
You are correct.
So I'm correct.
Yeah.
So since silapho indzaba yesibongo because when I was telling the team ukuthi we are going to be interviewing sibe chat na makuluve basibona how we thought it was a gumede sakuthi ngakagumede Muslim flow. So nongasichaza lapho before singene deep ukuthi ungubani makuluve qhamukaphi clear sive lenzaba lesibongo ukuthi where did the twist happen kwasebenzeka kanjani.
I will not give up saying one and the same thing over and over again, especially because I'm a teacher. So I've been doing repetition dilly-dallies for over 25 years now. So nasesonveni we keep preaching the same message of repentance, hope, and everything over and over. Ngaphinze ngisho babukeli emakhaya nalapho la nihleti khona nisehleti ku-internet. Kude lo waphinga la, kude nalo washintsha sibongo at a later stage, but it all began ngekuthi bokhokho basuka kaGasa banyukela kubo White River, nabafika kubo White River bahlangana nalomnye babo akaGumede Qwabe lo abesuka eSwatini. Kuthiwa ke nasicocela umlando kuthiwa bokhokho bebabomeselana bakhakele kuboNelspruit bakha the tall buildings leti lapha emafema
Ngabo khokho baseMozambique la.
Yes.
Okay.
Then now phela umsebenzi athi Gumede, hey, nami sengibuyele eSwatini. Bathi ke ho manje sesitawuthina umsebenzi sekude. Athi hayi inkosi Sobhuza ekhaya ivule emafema industrial sites yakuMatsapa. Singaya eSwatini, umsebenzi ukhona eSwatini. Avele ke basuke bahambe ke naGumede bashona eSwatini. Likhale elikhulu nje lasesibithe sikamkhulu lomkhulu lilapha e-airport la kaGumede kusekhaya. Si ascend itinvo singababikeli. Nabefika ke bafikela khona bahlavele sebaka Gumede. Naye sozuthola umhlaba kalogoba. Nakumele kushawe isandla ngethemba lathi lisiko lekubusisa likhaya. Ngekwesinto umphakathi. Funa kubonga isibongo. Sesibonga siphi isibongo? Ngoba lo muntu siyambona ukuthi khuluma kwakhe
ngofside.
Uvela kahina. Isigama hayi ngumfana waGumede. Lo. Kuvele kubitwe kubonga kuthiwa Gumede. Qwabe indaba ezitha. Akathwaya khundla sikhulu. Mama landelwa inkomo zamadoda kubongwe kanjalo vele ke. Badalwe ke bomkhulu namkhulu sekucocwa ngemlomo ukuthi savelaphi. Buhambe ke generationally by oral tradition kuze kufike nabo babe badalwe everybody ngugumetse ekhaya nabo babe nabo bayadalwa ogumetse nathi siyadalwa sibogumetse laba lama mina nalaba bonke labancane kimi abashinjanga mina ngedwa nje ngase ngithi because ngiva nithi kuhamba kanje. Yes, babe wasilalisa phansi wasitshela ukuthi oral tradition ithi kwendeka kanje and wathiwa ukuthi by God's grace vele ngakulocate ngakusebenzisa mina ngedwa ekhaya bangisebenzela.
So uconze ukuthi kulabantu bakaGumede nguwe wedwa loshintshile lokuya kuma
la khaya nje kaGumede. La khaya.
But what made you change? Uyabeliever ulenwe ukuthi nangabe umuntu akabedwa ngesibongo sakhe ngeke kube netinkinga empilweni?
Of course yes. Ngiyabeliever kakhulu futhi ngabambeleleka kakhulu ngisaka Gumede.
Kanjani?
In life. Anthropologically impilo si define ngekuthi history repeats itself. Lo ngiko wena namhla kungumthelela walabe bangiko labadzala kunawo ule lineage noma kuleli dalo lwakho. So konke lokwahlula babo wakho kuyi challenge nakuwe namhla. Lokwahlula khokho nabomkhulu wakho, it becomes a relay. It is inherited through generations. Maybe topic yangalinye langa but nje ke kuba icycle kuphila kwefamily. Nangabe kusanje kube sinesikhathi bengasho ukuthi Tino nje mina ngitshela ukuthi tendeka kumkhulu. Uyathola ukuthi tendeka nakubabe.
Okay.
And letinye letendeka kimi uyathola ukuthi letendeka vele nakubabe. So maso umukele Jesu bese uba neconcern ukuthi yini lengingathanza kuyitransfera to my next generation. Akusiko konke lengingathanza ukuthi abantu abambothando lenkosi ba inherit konke. Lo kubhlungu nalokubi ngiyafisa banga inherit nangelithuba lekukhatha off ngisaphila. For their sake, let me try my best to cut it off and bring it down. Ngizame ukuthi ngibanikete inheritance labantu aba proud ngayo.
Na ungachaza sesiyenga kuyo but interesting ukuthi le challenge uyibone somdzala uyibone ebuncaneni maybe usilandise ngekukhula kwakho ukuthi uze kufike la kunale shift khona lot khona what really happened ukuthi ube nale turnaround ukuthi hayi man ifa la did you go enyangeni baprofeta kwendekani?
My history is long. Ngikhulele ekhabo makhe. Ngitalwa kaMhlanga ngumntwana envombi wakaMhlanga esinothi sase-Apostoli kwaMila Apostolic World Faith Church le esiyendle. Ngitelwe khona but to my surprise ebuncane nasekukhuleni kwami vele kukhulunywa ukuthi bekuthiwa nalishangane nali ngikhule ngathi lokuthi kuthiwa ngilishangane but bengiva buhlungu ngikhale ngifune nekulwa ukuthi why kuthiwa ngilishangane ngoba mina nawuthi kumede phakathi kwayo qwabe ukhuluma ngemZulu but ukhuluma ngemZulu phaka yabona bo chief laba baselangeni nawulandzela umlandvo weKwaZulu Natal but bekuyekuthiwe kimi ngishangana kancane nanashangane nalo. You understand? I didn't take much notice of it. Ngangingadi ke vele babe ngangingamadi until I was going for grade 6. Nangicala kute ubona babe ngibakhanza vele bukumede and babe bekazunde. And mangicala kubona babe ngangicala kubona umuntu ofana nami kangaka. Ngiyilook like yababe kakhulu. Just like how my children look bafana nami kakhulu bantu baba. Angithathe ke babe soyangisusa babe khabo make babe bayasebenza eBhunya Sotho Pulp sesiyasuka sesiyahlala eBhunya sengiyofunza eBhunya secondary sengicela high school khona isecondary ngihlala eBhunya senginababe iminyaka lengimithashwana ngase ngiyasinziswa nanga form 3 ngimemukela Jesu vele ngilipopodlelana nje ukuthi mekhitshana lenganani ngaphandle kwalokujwayelekile vele ngase ngicala calile thinza nje lokuncane
amandlambo njwani
no akubanga ngilamandi kakhulu
kwaba ngilabesifazane
kwaba ngilentuthu ngathinza intuthu ngathi
bese ngithi ubose ngayisifazaneni wacala entuthwini
nesifazaneni angiyanga ngaze ngaya sengishadile.
Okay.
Kuyayiya nje bese ngiyothinza ngaphandle but ekufanele bama ngizange ngayo
uthi then impostoli
ngithi la khuleni angizange ngibe ngilomntwana lo yalesifazaneni.
Yes. Uze waya nini?
Ngaze ngase ngishadile.
Hawu bengithi ngiveka bilapho hayi asesithe nayo sengijakile ke lo sifike ukuthi yini le reason lekwenta kusini but asinyuka nayo
so kulokukhula ke nase ngimukele Jesu sengihamba naye ke impilo yami ekholwa yakhula kakhulu ngakhula emandleni but ngangithandaza alliance because ngangisebhunya nje ngangisebhunya alliance so emabandla lawo ema-evangelicals nama-Pentecostals they don't do much of into yebo deliverance ukuthi kuncunywa limuva and everything so ngachubeka nje nami ngingana problem na worry ukuthi ngakagumethe but ekhaya kuthiwa and kunemavesi akhona lokho akunika ipride mangabe umuntu wakuChrist usidala lesisha kwakucala kuyendlula so into esibongo nani matters not naso kuJesu nje new life and everything ihambe kanjani yet lempilo naso siyiphila mbamba practically ayisi umuntu nakaChrist lempilo idemanda ukuthi uthi go deeper uyilungise lempilo.
Ngiyayiva mpostoli so nyalo out of curiosity ngifuna kwathi nyalo ungithishela for laba labangadi.
Yes, ngingithishela since 25 years ago.
Yo, 25 years ago. We'll get into that, into teaching. Ngoba mina ngamangala mina now you are a teacher. So inzaba stigma ukuthi ubite ukuthi hayi uhlangane we hear it kwendeka nje in passing kangangokuba ihlangane the world ihlangane li affiliated netinfo ukuthi wathi khwishi hayi uhlangane what sinjani ngoba wena you've experienced lokubitwa ngelishangane kunjani
ngalesikhathi
njani
ngalesikhathi ngisengakatati lo thingilo bekumgwadisa. But until my father told us at home singawo, I was so proud. I'm so proud of who I am. And ngiyawathanza nawo kakhulu. It's a community of good people, community of hard workers, a community of selfless people. It's a community of people who are ready to face any challenge at any day. Now ukhuluma ngabantu baseMpumalanga benele ukhuluma ngebantu ngabafanisa nelitshe lenzaba. Litshe lenzaba lelinethwa imvula lishiswe lilanga, lishiswe sithathwa, lisolo lihleti lapha lengasuki, lishekelwe inyoni. Lihlale same place. These are resilient people. The day I discovered it was, oh, really, I am. Oh, it was good for me to hear that.
So now, usihlanisa le history bese siya la kuthenini le turn around ukuthi nakwenyalo so yashiya ukuthi ube ngumgumedi. So yashinja manje. Bekwendekani what was going through your life lokwenda ukuthi urealize ukuthi yeah.
Ngeminyaka wanga 2008-9, I'm not sure, between those 2 years, yeah. I got an invitation ngohlabela eCarltonville. Ngabe sengithume kakhulu Reverend Kumets and the Gospel Warriors. Lo mnyaka lo ngangikhipha album lebeyishisa dikhotha ithi ke pho ngathula kanjani. Kwakuthume ingoma lethi hayi imvana nabo kanye nawe namhla ngiyacutshwa ngimoya. 2007. I got an invitation ngohlabela eDimai eCarltonville. Ekulelinye lisondvo lase African Faith Mission, a Green Church, ewedela under Apostle T.R. Matsenjwa the late, and may his soul rest in peace. Umkhabatse. Nangifika lapha kule convention, noma le conference yabo lebe inkulu. They had invited one speaker from Malawi, was called Prophet Ababu. Even today ngisamfuna ukuthi ngabe Prophet Ababu washona uphi ngibangathi ngiyamfuna nakuma social platforms angimtholi. This prophet masingena la kule nkonzo lenkulu inkonzo lenkulu after babe sekasitshelile le background ekhaya wangilocator alapha pulpit ukuthi ke there is a guy coming from Swaziland. He's a teacher by profession. Ngangifundisa embi kwakhe primary lapho 2007. Bheke nje numbers ba prophet growing from an evangelical church inkule Alliance. Nje prophet ukhuluma ngayo nami ude bekasitshela ukuthi singakufollow but nje kula system yethu lokuthi the word first. Into the prophet. Nakakusho I got no interest ngako. Waze lo muntu waba angry allocator mina waze wagcina asasho igama lami. Waphendla lendlela Ababu. Ngase ngibheka phansi so ngibuka phansi. Angifuni imbamba lokuya lapha. Number 2 phela nami ngi-invite la kusasa in the same conference ngabe ngilapha stage ngihlabela so nase kunawuprofitwa nami la ngathi khona emama kulamanye la sanahleka kanzi bamemena lomnyelo singa correct into yakhe so ke I never wanted it. Then iqhubeke lempilo ngingene lapha. Agcina nakafika la kimi. Wafika wangibamba wangilifta up ngathi mangivuka wangithela ngembamba lo baba.
Awu.
Yeah. Wathi you are wasting my time. Wasikube bekungasiko ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyangipressureisha ngawo. Kule ndlalo odvale ngayo ngangiyakuyeke. Ngagcina lapho kumuva lokunye ngakubukela ku video because I fell and nga black out. They took me to the podium. Wa prophesy ngami washo ukuthi this man is having a myriad of challenges in his country. Endless challenges, challenge after challenge. Washo ukuthi lo mntwana anganaye nemntwana at that time bengithe ngisho nemntwana and bese na over 12 years sihletile mfati. Singanamntwana. Washo a lot of things washo wakurelate ukuthi nababa wakhe kwakunjena. Sengikubukela ku video lokho sebangikhathela ivideo sesibuye swathi. Washo konke lengingiko nasemsebentini uhleza hlala sebentene bothishela bayamvukela impilo yakhe iba kaso. Washo konke lokulengingiko. Wasothi kufuna abuyele sibongweni and lesibongo uyasathi umtshelile baba wakhe ekhaya and baba bekasitshelile. My father died 2001. August 8. Asitshelile. Look now it's 2007. And watching over this, I remembered lesibongo. Bekavele basitshele khazi sibaka Makuluve. Then ngabuya la khaya, I made an announcement. I took it seriously. I went on air, I went publicly. Ngabicela be-Times bangibhalele story ukuthi I will call myself this son.
12 years ushadile, no kid,
no child.
First wife loyal, because I have questions lengwabutile from people, random people lebe basho ukuthi bayakufuna ngithi mina, what is it that you guys would like him to talk about or clarify now? The surname was part of it. Then the issue with why is but I happily married every time Mpostoli is happily married. If it doesn't work here, on to the next one. So tell us more, Mpostoli, ukuthi lapho yini le transition yokuthi usitshele nje ukuthi 12 years no kids kwa counter in lowo maybe thinking entakho tekuqala ku marriage, and was this the first person you were with ngomshado?
I was married to umuntu wakaLukhele. Make nomvumelwano. Lengimhlonipha kakhulu even to this very minute. And lengimfisela lokuhle empilweni ngaso sonke isikhathi. Lengifisa ukuthi indoda yakhe vele futhi timhambele kahle.
By the way, in studio Mpostoli, in studio sijone ngimake Makuluve lapha, guys. Listen. Baqhamuke babambene etandla kunika lesithombe salele sikubonile. Baqhamuke babambene esandla lestrati from up there baze batongena la batozivusela. No, hayi. Sakhalalisela Nkosi yami Mpostoli. No, since sikule topic leyo bese ngibaphendela sithombe ukuthi awukhulumi nje, ukhuluma usingathiwe ukuthi ukhona amakwakhe khona angisiyambona.
And ibirthday yakhe namhla.
Ibirthday yakho. Ay podcast itakubona noma kanjani, noma utenge timing yabo into that align.
So I was married to lo mntwana Lukhele. Umhlali weDlunkulu. We were young.
First marriage.
Yeah, when we got married, we were young. Sahlangana lapha teacher training.
But you got married 3 times, by the way. So, but
we were young when we got married. Lapha teacher training at our most tender age. When I got married, I was 25 years old. For the first time. And yeah, sakhulelana noma sakhulisana. I'm glad to say and to tell the nation bravely ukuthi we had problems abantu abaTanzania, like everybody banathe inkinga eTanzania, But our problems were not major. If I look back, ngitibuke ngeliso lanyalo, they were not major. Bekuncane thina. Besibancane for. Yeah. Because nyalo nang understand how. Bengihle ngikwatela umfati wami. Ngimkwatela for this. Namuhla yini into lenjalo angisayikwateli. Bengihle ngibehavior kanjena makwendeke imistake le ncane lenjenganayi. Pho yini nyalo ebudzaleni akusange affect njengoba bengicabanga ukuthi umuntu usuka sekakabi nakenda kanje. Of course naye walikhele khona into bokhanza ukuthi akangichazi kito. And
were you cheating? Because bekune rumor ukuthi hayi emacherini uhamba embili impostoli. Especially the young ones there. Hey.
I will talk about that. That is a label. Sathanela akunikete yona uma ungumntwana kaNkulunkulu. And especially uma ngabe there is a star shining so bright. Afune kudima your light. Yeah, I'll talk about that. And ngiyathi ukuthi ngayimbatha le nhlamba leyo because of what? Ngoba bonke lalabathi bengihamba embili emacherry but kuthi necherry yami lebangakukhombisa yona. Bekajolana nangibani. It's just a rumor, a hearsay becomes
ichamukapi ngoba uthi ungayikhomba.
Yeah, ndayikhomba but bengifisa kuhamba chronologically as one who did lesson plans.
No problem. Take your time.
Nyalo, I will have a problem of jumbling.
Take your time.
So our marriage then failed because of minor cases. It's minor because the major problem bantu lengathi mina abahlukane vele nangabe silalela bantu labaphila if the woman is cheating. So
hayi nakushitha lendvodza.
Sitakhuluma later angathi uthini kucheat endvodza.
Oh kude shot.
Angathi but sitakhuluma in your own definition.
Yeah. Because basebathi bayachitha. Ngikhuluma in the modern world.
Utangitshela wena ngale modern yakho. Mina as a Swazi, as an African person, ngithi mina i-marriage ilikhuni when the wife is cheating. Ulukhuni endvodzeni kukubeketela nekukucolela lokho.
No, angikuphikisi mina impostoli. But ngikhuluma lokuthi for the sake of the viewers kukhona labathi what about the other part kusinakuchitha indvodza afuna kube mnanzi ekhaya.
Angiyathi indvodza lechithako as I said. Angiyathi indvodza mayichitha isuke yendani. Because indvodza kuyendeka
listen, according to the modern world.
Okay.
Indvodza lechithako ukuthi ishadile angithi. Njengathi ngishadile nemkakho.
No, sitakhulumisa nalegama lekushada nekuthatha.
Ish. Hayi when impostoli kuni
sitakhulumisa because uma ngabe indvodza inemfati ithethe indvodza. Mayithatha lomunye umfati ikhulisa likhaya kubo. Ngeke bathathela ngalinye. Batawulamana. So angikwathi ukucheat endvodza ensiyini. I may need to be schooled about kucheata kwendvodza. I think indvodza lecheata ngilele shade bo civil rights ukuthi kwami kwakho kwa what lebakusayina bamba bakufayela lapha ka DC nalapha kuma BMDs ka Home Affairs. I think ngilolo cheata umlo cheata ngilo shadile yase ingacheata vele indvodza leshadile. Yeah, sengiyavuma lelesha but indvodza lethethe. Icheata njani indvodza lethethe ngoba vele likhale yakhuliswa mangabe ulibona ukuthi lidinga kulekelelwa ngala litawuphakama litawugcina. But ngule mfundiso ke ye colonialism lefike yafundzisa educator bantu labakholwako ukuthi loku African tradition loku Africanized ku demonic what. That's not my baby anyway. Bengila kulobo kubukile mane ngihlushwa ukuthi bese kuya preempteka ngalesikhathi senda so.
Yes.
So ngilakutheneni my first wife never cheated on me. So had I grown to this age, maybe I would fight for that marriage. Because I never had a case of a male person. I never had such a case. And that's the most annoying case. Empilweni yebantu labathethene nangabe lwesifazane athatha shukela lakhaya ayopha umuntu wangaphandle. Ngesintu bathi ngiloko nekuthakatha bathi ungamqosha. So I never had all those cases. So but marriage yethu yahluleka due to attitude cases yabo. Then the marriage failed. Nangekuthi nase sithi vela hey lo mshado sonke sositsine naye walikhele so dziniwe ngimi nami sengiva ngathi it's okay nami sengidziniwe nguwe kunyayisana kwebuntwana kwebantwana. We then wanted a reason that can be socially acceptable noma lengangena enkantolo esimanjini ikhulumiseke kwase kuyini ke le kwase kukuthi makulube utalisile ngaphandle. When I will tell you namhla ukuthi my getting 2 children outside my marriage azange kuba liphutha kimi, akuzange kuba yinto lengathi ngibhlungu ngayo ngilingwe ngisathana. No, mina I went out to try ukuthi nali likhaya lifa ngikhona kanzi kwami lesilimeni asengiphume ngibone ukuthi ke ngingaba yini nayo umntwana, because I was worried now. I wanted a baby, I wanted children, I wanted someone that can encourage me to go and work. Ngoba nawe indvodza usebenzela ini vele na unganamntwana usebenzela lo mfati. That thing will make you get tired. Usebenzela abantu, usebenzela bakini ukuthi naso ufile wena basale badla. Yini encouragement yakho? Kanze bona na kunemntwana yakho la, you know kokuthi lana. Nangilobitwa ngeligama lami. Akalala dlila, akaya esikolweni, akageza, akagqoke. Akabe nelikhaya kubo. That's the motivation lenkulu. So mina ngaphuma intentionally and purposely ngazama. And my wife, I would fight for this marriage. My wife didn't have a problem. I'm telling you today. We sat down and she accepted the Bantwana was the one encourager even to help support the children.
Labantwana banabomangela bahlukene ngaphandle experimenta
ngafuna umntwana noma phi endla nasendazo esihlahleni nasemandini. I just wanted a child.
Did you get boys, girls?
I got a boy and a girl.
Siyabonga.
I got a boy and a girl. So my wife accepted, and by God's doing, okay, one thing about me, I don't know if it's a weakness or a strength. I'm nice secret to me. Mina nje ngithi into lengathi ungatsinzelana. No. Ngabuya ngamtshela imali yadana kwendeke soso. Wabuva kuhlungu ngalikhele, but wasiya-accept. So those things betangena ukuthi kube strength zemshado bekungema, but then sasibancane we let go. Lokungathi ke sadivorce, wangidivorce lalikhele, wangidivorce athi nginebantwana. Sase singasaphilisani nje kahle, but kwakudingeka sizathu enkantolo. So lebe singasenda sikhona ukuthi kube ne roll over the matter vele kwabuya certificate ebantwana saphuma ngako ke. Waphuma waba right nami ngaphuma ngaba right nasicaba. Kanzi in divorce no one wins. No one wins. Angiphoze sengikhulumile ngikhuluma emntwana abantu I mustn't go deep.
Siyabonga usichazela lapho mpostoli. So before siqhubeke ukuthi how long, because I'm curious ukuthi kulokufunza kula maphutha la ngase kuthatha isikhathi esinganani kumove on to the second wife but sitawungena lapha
angithi ke lokwenda avele nje asikakwatile ucabanga akasangifuni lokwenda ukuthi ngidwale ngingafuni ukuthi make up noma ngizame kulomndeni because asamaza but bengifuna kumukele yabona uthi vele bese ngiganiwe
so you took lebo muntu bozovele uchitha naye
bese ngivele ngangichitha ngoba ngangishadile
so ave waphinze wathatha yena
ngathatha lo muntu bengichitha naye
because mina by the way mina I'm young so I'm talking based on rumors lebengweva ukuthi when you are here to clear them of course ukuthi kuthiwa nalabantu bashada nabo uthatha khona la choir and I don't know if it's a choir or church uyahlabela uthatha
yeah it can be wrong lokuthi nalabantu engishada nabo ngazi ukuthi kune sarcasm of some kind lapho ufuna sithi lo muntu lo washada na noma lo muntu wabe siyamthatha
okay
you understand because it happened once
by one
you understand so ke ngamthatha lo muntu loyo ngangichitha naye la kulo lakhe
how long did this last the companionship
together we cheated for quite some time together we cheated for quite some time see yeah sasima sasithethene sahlala 4 years yeah but munye lesawuhlala kahle because sawuhlala munye kwaba khona kudisappearisha hey mfati wami soshone ngijima ngiyamfuna ngamrecall wabuya sancenga vele into lesengasasiyo and finally she left forever
of course sambona make we'll get into it asibuyelele ndzabo lelo ishiphenda ye kuthi banifana uyajola you know ukuthi isukela kuphi laba accuse khona ukuthi you were cheating noma bona inform letiningi uthi uyathi ukuthi kususelwa ukuthi they are fighting against lokuthi wena umsebenzi wasimakathi
yeah lo munye ubuka lokuthi ngithole bantwana lababili different mothers kusho ukuthi vele inkambo iconduct ukuthi phatha akukho ngoba mawusinziswe lengcondo na ngabe labanye kubenda kube stereotype nje angafuni reason like I'm telling you ukuthi I came out abantu abambayalingana even in age I came up in this month
but isuke laphi ngoba you know the cause
ngiyophela kansendani
okay
waphela ngiyo le cause leyo yokuthi
I'm trying to understand now lendlela okhuluma ngakuthi uyibeka indzaba njani so hayi nami ngicolele
nasengigijima you are representing a faction in the nation
yes.
bakhona laba kanjani so ke lokuthi labantu babuka una two ebantwana lobathole from different mothers whilst your marriage subsists questionable ku conduct yakho bese ke akasakhona ukugoa deep lokuthi kanti bayalingana sho ukuthi engani labantu sho ukuthi labantwana bafuneka kulo leliviki leli noba kulona lenyanga le lomnye ke futhi seke out ke nesekade awufuna kwathi ukuthi najola nalabantu nathanzana kwentekani noma kwacelwana noma kwabayini sengilamanye ema dynamics lawo it could be that reason bese umbatha lokuthi hey lenceke lena iyachitha maybe two nalokuthi ke lo lengambe sengiyamthatha bevele nginaye la senta naye donke into ala aceleni kwami so ngavele ngathatha yena ke so ke nako lokho ke in fact ke yena nguye lengathi ke ngiphile naye manje we took some time ngala singathathani and bengicabanga ngathi it's good life saphila for isikhathi lesithe we were good together but kwaqala kubhetha nase sithi sithethene impilo yangabi saba right so ke nawubuka those 3 episodes it becomes a scandal kusho ukuthi ke bangakungbathisa ke lokho ke lokunye ke bangangbathisa but phela kuyamsita lo munye nakangizakwena ukhumbule ukuthi ngiartist mina yeva mos uma ngiartist angisi artist ngedwa okay well nyalo industry ma artist yafa but during our time we were making money out of singing. We were staging shows, big shows. We were buying cars. We were doing it. In our days in jail, my artist, our artists, it's Nabo Nandwen, it's Nabo Sheba, it's Nabo France, and others. So, nabo shong. Siweza ngena tsine lapho. Kuleyo glory naleyo wave leyo. Lo ngithi le industry seya kwatanga ukuthi imali bese yakha ngeklabela, imali siyakha ngokudayisa music, ma CDs nema cassettes. Konke lokho experience let's see. Konke lokho nyalo akukho. And it is total nyalo nje sekunebantu nje lo khanza ukuthi uhlabela ingoma yinye ayiphambe kakhulu ku social media sekuthiwa artists and because mina I call them most of them I call them singers not artists.
Bobani lesinabo nyalo la ngoma buba balelo bakhanze egemini sebobani laba benda njalo nyalo ova ngathi
I don't follow those that come after me. I always look embili kwami. Ngivama ukubuka embili kwami. I mean kungaba lichilo benele ukuthi uDaddy Shemanothi aka form 3 so ka form 5 that's reverse so ndawubekisa nje nalaven la sikhona khona everyone that gossips about anyone ugossipa ngemlo sembili kunaye ngeke ngitshela iqiniso ngeke uzogossipa ngemntu lwamshiya ka grade 7 wena nje ngeke you can't afford doing that akana space in your lips umlo semva kwakho. So the more we are being gossiped, it also pumps us up. Kuyasitshela ukuthi banengi bantu lesembi kwabo, we have to try and do better because these people are really looking up to us. Good umlo ngaba ne interest ukukhuluma ngento lesemva kwakhe. It's not possible. Bengisho ke ukuthi ke kuhambe kanjalo ke with the two marriages ngisengakashadi nyalo but I'm betrothed shothi ngicelile ekhaya I'm engaged ngicelile ekhaya
izandla
ngicelile ekhaya nganikedwa ngiyabonga kakhulu emavulane akubulunga ngibonga kakhulu bekhakhamba kasho
akahlabela nje not a singer yena.
I've never seen anyone coming into the Makulve family. I sing, but I create singers. I produce. I'm a producer. I've never married anyone singing. And I've never met anyone singing ngathanza klabela kwakhe. Nenjana tamjele ngeke ngithanze ngumuntu.
Bese uyadakela.
Ngiyaluke lapha sengithanza kakhulu bantu bami. Because I look at them and pity them ukuthi makungathiwa ngiyafa namhla bathi awusala abantu abami. I just wish ukuthi ke ngabatholela make. Ngibatholele likhaya.
Solo bangithu.
Phela wabe sesuyamthola umntwana make lalikhele. Naye bayalingana same 3. Wamthola around those days. Maybe we jumped that part saying
oh yes.
So solo by 3.
Kune video yakho wakhunga esihlahleni lapha eMbhuleni uthe eMbhuleni what was the story there?
The truth of
the trenda ngoba mina leyo nje ngiyathe kutrendeni but I never got the back end ukuthi ngaze bakushaya bakhunga esihlahleni ngathi it was affiliated nekuthi manje Mvumbatane what ngiyacela naye le.
No problem. The truth of the matter lapho ukuthi abazange bangikhunga esihlahleni but I used my mind. Ngibona lamaphoyisa emmango. Kunaleti inzambu lapha labati letigigelele sihlahla. When kuqhamuka laba ka observer qhamuka nemaphoyisa to redeem me. aggravating a matter ngifuna kuphunyula nethi ngikhokhwe la
ufika njani kule matter mePostoli
awukayiva but nale question le i-answer yakho
no nqese bese ukuthi ngiva ngathi soyilandza etulu ukuthi ngoba nyalo bo answerisha lesihlahla yabo bese ngisho ukuthi
answerisha i-question lethi bebakhuke esihlahleni.
Oh yes,
you need to get an answer before
okay,
you
cool. No problem.
So ke la kule tinsambo lihlala insambo tila kule sihlahla. Nangibona ukuthi amaphoyisa to redeem me kuqhamuka beliphepha beobserver. Qhamuka Channel Swazi. Ngafaka lenhloko la esihlahleni so that ngidothola isupport ukuthi nimendani. Yaze nimkhunge yabo. That rope was loose. Number 2, kude lo wangishaya mina, kude lephoyisa lemango langishaya mina. Ngiyabati bonke even today, even with their names nalaba shona ngiyabati. Kude nje lephoyisa lemango umnele langishaya noma ngembamba. No. But what happened, which turned out to be a circus. I was no longer at school, even a teacher by that time. Kwafika ukuthi ifake amagama ebani, kwafika some artists, you see, who were trying hard to break me in the industry. Kwakuyibhekli ama-artists ngicela kuyishaya ngiyibeke kanjalo. Ngishaye ibe imfisha. Yeah, but it was successful in tainting me. And when I look at all the debacles I've gone through, that one had a day. That one feasted on me. Yeah, and bengisemncane. Bengisengakade. Yabo nje ngathi nje ngifake nje lena hloko lapha kulesihlahla. Mina nje ngangifuna i-narrow escape yanyalo, but look at how it was viewed. Waba like bambe bakhungela esihlahleni and so on. Bakushaya.
Waphuma lokho phela. The importance of lento ngisho ukuthi to have such platforms.
And that was good for the assassin plan. But it didn't happen. That's why no one was arrested, because no one had a crime.
But was not more topless lang to bese kwendeke.
No, remind yourself well. I was wearing a black t-shirt. So lamanye ma facts lokunye lokude ngami, my memory is very much impressive. It serves me well. Angibonanga lento le yokuthi bese ngifaka la itang sharp because dawambisa stories bakukhungile. So it really had a day. I wanted a narrow escape, but they just called me for questioning. Bangibita for questioning. And as a result, masengihamba sengiphunyula lapha. Ngaphunyula ngethi ngene emotweni ngiconze police station ngimathapha esigodweni. Where everyone else lebeka involved was called there. Emaphoyisa yatabona nekungathi nje ufuna arbitrate i-peace. Kwabade ma-charges laleyo against anyone. Kwabade ma-arresting laba khona. But yeah, lalimala likama. Yeah, lalimala mfowethu.
Madima. So lento labathi ngesingisi character assassination ikhona mbamba.
It was successful. No kwanginika ke a sorry face. Yeah, ngihamba ngayela la. Ngasho ngathi hayi no. Nambe ngicanga ukuthi hayi kuphelile angiphinde.
Lobek solo ku linked noma it's another battle lama artist akukho linked nanaba bebathi ujola kamaningi unemacheri noma solo khamba kuyahlangana uthi maybe bantu banye.
Awuphenze ibuthe le question.
Ngithi le situation otkhanza kuyo nyalo embuleni lesiqhuma ngayo nyalo ihambelana nalabantu abanguve uthi it was a battle ema artist. Ngithi is this the same artist noma people lebe bakusukela ngalama rumors from back then useshadile ukuthi uyachitha unemacheri lamaningi ngisho sikuyahambelana hamba kuhlangana
uyaqova man benene. You didn't do your research well.
No
phela this is izaba yasembuleni is 2007.
like I said, when I was young, you say, please be patient with me. Ngoba mine, let vele ngabo. So I'm trying to connect. Is this?
And it is the year when I changed the surname.
Oh, bengiya lapho.
You understand? Back then, nobody was ever interested that much in me.
So this is the peak of your career?
That was the peak of my career. It was album number 5. Ngiphethe album lesipho ngathula kanjani ebethu ngithi ayimvana bokanye now. That was the 2000 year of mystery. You understand?
Okay.
Nobody knew ukuthi ngiphila kanjani and bengide nale extra affair from my marriage. Bekude nenkulumo lenjalo. Nje even a rumor in the outside world. Bengisese patient nala kulomshado ukuthi incenye uNkulunkulu utasipha umntwana. Ngalesikhathi lesi. So kusho ukuthi sicale embili kanti bese siba
nemuva. So it was a battle artist kucala.
Mangicala nje sengicala ngivete abuso ngithatha ngicommanda crowd. Kwacala ke kwaba nale.
Ukhona umuthi la gaming le industry.
Ngawathi ngane mfowethu ngakubenza ongakayiboni. Uva basho nje. Baporofit. Nganathe
unganatha my brother. Ngicela uplug make sinangimuva ukuthi ngosami uphethe kanjani so far, and of course the unfortunate situation my brother the house ngibonile ukuthi the fire. Please, if you don't mind, just take us through the process. Because sekufika njani, because indlu ohlala kiyo kuthi ulimele walimatana nphahla. So it was a situation lebhlungu kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga Benele. Lokho solokuhambelana naloku kuyindlu yina lokushiwa ngilomfati number 2. Because lapha nangishelwanga but lubane. You understand? So I should think masahambile. I don't know, but it was the same thing.
I don't know.
It's the same thing. Auntie, you need to be careful. Because of course we have ukuthi bathukuphi, bathi unabani, bathi kunjani, and everything. Uyakuva konke lokho. Then so uyashawe nala. Shelwa ngobongelwe nabo. But out of that bad situation Banele, angendlule nje kiyo ngekuthi ngithi sibongile Maswati. Luthando nesupport. La sithole kusekelwe kakhulu. Ngathola nekuveleka ngibongela itiko lami letemfundo. Kusukela ku-administration yalo kufika ku-Teaching Service Commission. Bakhona kungitransfera. Angisekho leBhunye. Bakhona kungitholela a school around town. Sengi lelinye lemadolobha amakhulu aseSwatini. La ngisebenza khona. And ngizilithumo lapho alube uNkulunkulu nekuthi ngibabonge nayo i-Teaching Service Commission for having a heart nabothishela babo. Excuse me, ukuthi bangive, bangibonele, mangikhala, bangilalele, baphindze bangiside ngale transfer. Kuthe kusesenjalo kwabe ngathi akukaneli. Abone Maswati anikela, donate cause lapha bese kude ngisho kwekumbatha. When Maswati donate even timbahla, even kudla. And bathatha even my 2 children. I've got 3 children. Balatropen. Leti call it lightropen. Leti kahle kakhulu. Bonge administration, education nakona. Bangisitile. Phindze ngibonge na hulumende kulamanye matiko embube ukuthi bangibambisile. I was able to get a government house, not a teacher's quarters. So ngihlala very well. Lama suburbs alaga.
Okay, ungacese. Ngibuthi ngiyamangala the more ukhuluma impilo yakho ngathi beyisoli gcwele inkinga man, but still ulana, we are happy, we are in love. Solo noma sikubona kuma status impilo yaqhubeka yini le fire uyithathaphi ngoba le tinto letibalako lo munye umuntu une reason ukuthi ngabe utibulele labanye ngabe bakhwithile bathi hawu ayikho lento empilo noma lo munye akhwithe even lokukholwa. Yabo ukuthi hayi baby, but wena nabo uyi living proof ukuthi inkinga empilweni diyakhona, especially now indvodza noma let alone now umuntu nje. Yini le nika le fire ukuthi you keep moving even in love, you get married but you find another one, doesn't make out pins, uqhubeke still kepha happy.
Kungaba kunenge benele, but bafowethu nabothathe wethu emakhaya kumcoka ndawushirisha kube kuthathu. Kumcoka kuba ne meeting with yourself. Uqale kuphila ku purpose yakho. U discount everything, u discount stage, u discount fame, u discount konke lo lokwenda ube nguhuzu and come back to self and purpose. Uthi nangu umcolisi Vusumuzi Makulube. Wetelane emhlabeni ungubani, bantu bambona athi ungubani, utelene empilweni. Ukuthole lokho bese uyakuncenga nangabe sekuyakuphunyukela. Mina ngibona nje ngathi bekuphunyuka konke, but uNkulunkulu ukuthatha late nje yena ngemabomo akhe. Ingakho ngifuna kumkhonda vele, ngifuna kumbonga, ngifuna kumsebenzela ngoma ngiyadibonela athi utitsatsa latele nje uNkulunkulu wala nami ebaleni for no reason. Utalele nje yena uNkulunkulu nami ebafowethu wala uNkulunkulu. Wangithatha wangifaka enhlitweni nemaswati and everything. Kwesibili lengendlula ngisho lokungisitile. Kunelivesi encwadzini ya 1 Samuel 30, I think is verse 6. Lisi madodza labahamba na Davide makhanza imiti yawo khala libhungane kuthunjwe abantwana kuthunjwe bafati kushilene isigodlo seSiklag. Base lamadodza athi ngcono agcobe Davide ngematshe ambulala. Bese ke lo verse 6 uthi kepha Davide wathi kucinisa kuNkulunkulu. Kumcoka ukuthi kucinisa. Strengthen yourself and have faith in yourself, not only faith in God, but have faith in yourself. Yathi ube nale faith ngawe njengendodza mangabe idlile iphethe libhodlela lesitawodi seyenza noma ingawa aliwi lona. Ungakulahli phasi lokho lokukwakhile waba nguwe. I started believing in myself more than I had ever believed in myself. Kubelieve akubona sina no ngiyamkhola ngiyalithemba lelibundi benele leli ngiyamthemba Makulube. Mase uthemba mbamba, you will know ukuthi anyone noma high authority noma office le high ranking or whatsoever kude lakhiwe ngako lokwehlukile kwethu flesh and blood. Utakwenda lokho once waba confident of yourself, utakwenda ukuthi ukhona kuya nakufuna ukuthi ufune lisito uye in spite of his or her rank. Umuntu face umuntu ukhulume nemuntu. Like I'm seated here right now, I know I'm making stories even now. I'm making waves because in the yanangzana like podcast inemkhuba weku
clip
wekuclipa tinvo ne erishe into le interesting lengeke lo munye umuntu athi ukuthi kuze kukhulunywa la kusuka phi next back address why inkinga. It still makes bad image of you. So lana nje I'm at high risk, in good danger zone. La
ayilana safe la
ngkhona. So but if you have faith in yourself, the people that follow me sengine faith nabo ngokuthi they know what I can do and what I cannot do. They know what I can say and what I cannot say. They will want to dig deeper. It will only be the people who are against me because emhlabeni funa wathi uthi impilo yakhe yapolarize ibenele. There's just polarity when you come. Kukhona labasina uqhamuka bakuthanze because maqhamuka bakwenyanya. Lalaba bakuthanzako bakuthanza ungabe ndelilutho. Lalaba kunyanyako bakunyanya ungabe ndilutho. You just have to know that And so kungisitile ukuthi ke ngibe confident of myself kunento emihlale ngisho ukuthi la mhlabeni kufana nakamZCC. Wonke umuntu uTechTowners indayela yakhe. Wonke umuntu unikwe libhakede lakhe lelitiya la mhlabeni la. Mane labanye labaphethe libhakede labo nababona mleke nathana lami. Bese ngithi bayaliyekela lelabo bathi hey liyambabela siyamkhalela liyamkhiphela bese na uyekela libhakede lakho kanti sifo sakho lesikuletha kamZCC on. You don't have to mind what other people are saying and what other people are doing. Uyambona lo Bartimaeus in the book of Matthew 13. Wamemeta sebathi ubanga umsindo ubangela Jesu umsindo wabantu iBhayibheli babe bambangela bamemeta kakhulu Jesu indodana kaDavid engawukela because he had an ongoing situation. Lokungaboni kwakuchubeka labantu bebatamthulisa labachubeke babone bona baye emakhaya tawusala yena senkingeni funa bese uyendlula emntwini. Umuntu utawukhuluma ngawe la umuntu utawukhuluma nawe la athi awubongaze uphuma uyodala abantwana ngaphandle umfati akhona bebagithisa abantu ababo bona ngesikhathi basho lokho mina bekude and kuba ngiphumanga ngazama nganya ngasolo kude and I needed them. So ke kungisitile nako lokuthi ke ngikholelwe kimi. Kwesithathu benele kungisitile nje ukholwa ngeJesu. Ukholwa uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ngikhiphe uvama ungikhiphe embotsheni lencane. Ngikhiphe embotsheni lencane uNkulunkulu uvama kungikhipha nami ngingasabonzi ngaphuma. Azahlabela andile kamaJozi nama ngazi ngiphunyuke kanjani namanje ngisamangela mangitibuka ngihleti la stairs yabona naku nyalo mangingena lapha estairs sami ngicafata naku kweremote kukhale ukuthi intwe mangijengala ukuthi intwe ngisho ngizikulubela kaThixo ngithi mase ngekhathi phiza ngicafata kukhale ukuthi intwe ngijabule it gives me satisfaction ngibe ngikhuphuka qha ngilala etule stairs ngicala kulala stairs first day ngeva ngathi ngilele esihlahleni experience ethi latula ngino why you know uNkulunkulu wethembekile uvama ungikhipha embotsheni lencane uNkulunkulu nanyalo ngiyamkholwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi usaya kuthi nami. Yes, usaya kuthi nami. So anyone else who is going through tough situations Timo langa dithanzi Timo langa fune ukukhuluma ngato ngicela athi uthi uNkulunkulu will care and take care of you in spite of opinions from other people. Lastly ngicela ukukusherisha bantu abaphumele baleni bene ngabambi status mfo makubhetha kude kudla uma ngabamba status ngathi highlight dropen ngiyaku-on ukuthi kude kudla khuluma umuntu noma ngakuhleka ukuthi umcele 30 rand we1 kg embubu it becomes a case to him ukuthi ukuhlekile wena but wena vula umlomo ungadibulali bakhona abantu
azibayisiza man and kude le point esiphila kiyo kude umuntu ofuna activate ukuthi mina ngihluphekile
mina anginankinga mina nakukhona nakude
khona la social media wonke mfuna imali social media na
mina kethu nakude mina kethu mina ke nani mina ngiyaliphila
mina bathi ayibona lento ngisho khona la social media kude umuntu lo broke ku social media sonke sinemali
mina ke ngiphila iqiniso ngikhuluma iqiniso. That is why mina mangabe sitawuhambisana uchubeke ungithanze umculo wami ubona uqala kungibona athi ngeke ngihambisane nalo babe mababe lona hayi ngiyakhashana naye ubona sicala sivula umlomo because ngeke ngikuye ngemini. I'm so much afraid of losing a friend who would by chance be permanently my friend ngekuthi ngimiyengile because everyone that is young one day will grow up. Akufuneki umuntu nakakhula angibone ukuthi ngamiyenga bese uyadiscover ukuthi ebekanemanga makulubi Because the day I discover who's being the man, he must decide otherwise about me. What I teach my kids on social studies, nangibafundzisa class in bantu abami, ngibatshela about the wanderings of Sobhuza. Ukuthi uqhamuka Sobhuza le somhlolo uqhamuka le ndasi eshiselweni ungenithola bakaNkambule ebuseleni ukhuphukela eTulu uthola bakaGwebo uthola ushona eTulu kaphunga legazi ukhuphukela eLesotho uthola bakaBasekwe eNcabaneni udzabula ushona eTulu kalancabane and everything bomamba bayanikela what kufanele into le mangisho ngathi ukuthi noma ngayifunza ka form 3 noma ngayifunza e-university funasho sithishela wami ka grade 6 wangitshela le nto and this thing so linjalo hey nengibeli permanence angifuni nesivane manje bese siya asisavane ngifuna unyanye nyalo forever ukuthi ngithi ngite ngishiye nginako asikudle sekuphelile
hey Mpostoli besicela usibane beve iphimbo lamake ukuthi avusele nje beve ukuthi ukhona uphatheke njani make uphatha njani umpostoli ngosami ngomkhulumise ngosami athi
manje camera
akekho cameran but awuvale live noma ufuna avele
I'm not ashamed ngayo sithandwa sami lesi
uyasima mpostoli uyasima ngitabuya ngala bese
buya nene buya timani
mina sengitay lapha ngala kudingingi
buya nene buya mageza ngelibise emandahleti buya simomoto buya shong
hanibuke ngosami usinibahle kanjani
siyabonga
makwakhe unjani makwakhe maybe nje lo ngasisifahla ukuthi ungubani qhamukaphi even though seku lesikhathi sekutawuphela nemafilimu la but nje buze bakubone ukuthi nguwe awusiso scam
sanibonani babukela emakhaya igama lami nginolwazi ngitekhaya ngwakashongwe dala lapha eTulu eNhlabeni kuBulungu
umkhanzaphi Nkosi yami lo mpostoli wethu Nkosi yami lo so wehle wenyuka nempilo Nkosi yami tindwa sola phanda
wahuburuza kwasho emoto
hey nami ngase ngihamba in one of the good days ngitelela kamanzini ngamkhanza umpostoli Nkosi yami uNkulunkulu angibekele nje lapha ngase Somhlolo Park
hey
sabonana khona ke Nkosi yami titsine la tipela eMgcwabeni somewhere na inombolo nje ngayibida ngihamba nje I was like hayibo wena ngusibali sena yey kahle buyangichazele sesiwakho sohamba sinayo angifune kuba singibide inombolo ngitshela inombolo lakho ngicocela kahle ngayibida ngihamba luckily enough ngakubokuyisa Saturday Sunday ekseni ngeva sekangifonela hey khuluma na Mr Makhulu hayibo ikhumbule inombolo ngathi cha ngikhumbulile uNkulunkulu vele ungikhombe ngqo
hey
mina hayibo athi ngite angidedi
hey so vele ukuthi tefane bagudluluda sithi wena bagunguluza wena
kathi wasabayigunguluza
kepha in this case sengwemos lo hunter
no lana bengitibika engathi ngiyayibuka le ntombi benele nani babukele ngayithanza but ngingayadi
but kulase sikhathi esinganani ukuthi solo abazama solo maybe rejector and nguvu yathinza uthi wathi hayi ungusikoni wambeka ngusikoni ngabani
ngusibali phela
ngoba sithi sibali sorry but okay no ngiya understand umdrayise kanganani Nkosi yami lo mpostoli wethu and yini nawe lekwende ukuthi ugcine uthi hayi mana sizame
Traiswalo traiswana man anyway akabuta
uthi ulitfolile onke
okay I think akuthathanga ngisho iviki because we connected I don't know how kwaba nje ngenye info nami lengayizange sengiyendekele but we connected sakhanza ukuthi so far info letiningi diyafanana ti common ningi lo common ngathi So of course bengamati that much bengiloko ngimova njengawo just like
Yeah.
ngomncane ngangawo but banele. So I had a lot of questions about him. So luckily enough beka very much okay ukuthi akangichazela konke. So we set up a day setha satobonana la nandos khona la kamanzini. So mbuta ke konke lebengifuna kwathi wangitshela konke lebengifuna ama proofs ako ngabekela etafuleni ngawakubona. So nganetiseka. Enike lokunye ngaba nalokutitshela ukuthi ke phela good umfloat ma mistakes and sonke siyafunza amaphutha ethu. So kwafika le level lesilonge naso nakathathela isento enjani amgcobe. So I somehow felt like it was kwasanama head i-background yami yabo benginalo move lami. So ngeva ngazothi if ngithola umposteli sikhona something lenhle lesingayikhipha and labanye abantu bangabelieve again emshadweni lesibalahle lithemba emshadweni.
Oh hallelujah.
Izandla guys. Love exists guys. Say niyibona embikweni. Solo kude, solo No siyabonga imphathi ukuphethe njani umpostoli sesogocota stoyishaya yonke.
I think
Romantic. Take out on dates.
Yeah, of course he's romantic too. I think banbangati. Labangati go way back bayabona because there's a very great improvement since impostola afekile. So I'm happy. I can't lie. And mufuna ngibota ukuthi ke hey wena how kwenda kanjani khone kanjani ngiyangumtshela nje cha luthando nje kunana livesela lithi ke labaye basibafundise ke mukela Jesu then wamukela Jesu konke lokufuna kumcebo nani kula cards. So i-advice yami ithi mamphombatana luthando nje akusiyo konke lokukhathi ikhadi ukuthi bhuti unemoto awuyathi next wayithenga anabani le moto nalo sothi umfuna lona emoto. Luthando nje then konke lokula khathi kuloluthando. So ngikona isibona ke sihamba lana kumnanzi sibahle sinje because nalabo amaduku umpostoli I think bayabona ukuthi kushinjile manje and it's a promise ukuthi ke hayi yabona ke siyagcina ngikushada.
Saka full stop.
No wami nje akude lo myofosilo akamphole. So siyagcina nje ngci. Shada.
Hallelujah.
No uyegcina i-question lenginayo for wena makwakhe ukuthi uthinsile lana umpostoli ukuthi phela indoda ayicheat so ready nikulanywa yini wena.
Yebo banele kuda kahle.
Ngoba ukubeke konke etafuleni ukushido nalana. Uready ukuthi akhulise.
I think bekakusho nje but ngiyatithemba man but banene. Ngiyatithemba kakhulu.
Siyacela
angimboni ngishwalela kucabanga lokho.
Hayi siyacela Nkosi mina sengivele ngisukile ehlelweni so tazivalela umpostoli ihlelo maybe usitshele ukuthi banga expectani bantu from le companionship yenu. Most importantly bantu abakufuna bakuthola kuphi ngoba ushido ukuthi uphinze uproduce and nabantu abafuna maybe ngoba ngiyeva ukuthi nalokululeka abantu ngakhona kubasida. Nalabo ke labafuna maybe sponsor lijes vivaneni ngenzaba yendlu ukuthi phela bese yalimala nempahla maybe solo sa recover le nombolo ngicabanga ukuthi awusita cover tonke enhlango sileto maybe nemagama egcina.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu benele ngibonga kakhulu ne crew yase studio ngibonga kakhulu nakwenti manze sithando sami for kungipheketela on your birthday.
Hey, happy birthday. Happy birthday guys, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Make Makuluve. Lapha umbethe nge-engine number thina sengimakwa kakho lo. Make Makuluve. Happy birthday to. Siyabonga.
Umnazase lelithuba benele ngibonge kuwe ngibonge ne studio crew. Your guys are lively and lovely. Thank you guys for doing this work. Emaswati lamaningi atawusitakala meeting their people here. Ngidawugcina ngeligama lelithi guys everywhere mawubona umuntu ayaphasa ubo wathi ukuthi kunebantu labaseceleni kwakhe labamisa phasi. and everywhere mawubona umuntu anyuka edulu ubo wathi ukuthi kunembandvu labaseceleni kwakhe labam-assista to go up. Make sure ukuthi you surround yourself with people who see good in you, who are ready to help you grow in leaps and bounds. Ukhulise lo longiko naloku uNkulunkulu la kubeka ukuthi wena ungiko. Ungambeki umlo negative ngawe eceleni kwakho. Ngicela kunitshela naku kwegcina babukeli ukuthi ke kwendiwa sometimes usungaganwa ngumuntu impilo yakho ishone phansi. Lo munye uthi angakugana noma uthi ungamgana. Aqale athi yena soyakuvala ukuthi uganwe noma ugane. Ngedindlela leti sindvu. Akuvale total impilo yakho ime itsinsi. Impilo yakho ingaphinzi access any good because of the person next to you. Umuntu lo seceleni kwakho is either he makes you or breaks you. Make sure ukuthi umuntu lo umbonako ukuthi yakwenyanya msuse eceleni kwakho. You can't afford this life with haters. Haters will take you to the grave. Egameni lika Jesu ngicela ukuthi ke emadvodza landlule kule timo lengendlule kito nangikhuluma letinto leti maswathi ngitsemba niyeva uthi akuyilo libuyako la. Kuthi umuntu ebengajike esihogweni aphinza abuya atophila like me njoba ningibona. Ngiproduct yemsebenzi yaNkulunkulu, ngiproduct yelithandvo lwenu maswati, ngiproduct yemandla esiphambano saJesu. Nalomunye londlula kule timo, I am ready, my hands are wide open. Buya sikhulume sibonisane ngetinkinga lobhekene nathi ungadibulala. Kuleli viki ngi-experience athi incingo kunema messages amadvosa ngiyabhala ku Facebook. Ngibhala ama-articles. In my articles babhala emadvosa abhala ngene inbox. Athi mina ngikhiphe 10 wetinkomo sekwendeke naku. Athi lo munye mina ngitsite ngithi maketala wami wathi kimi mina asilo munye mina ngitsite ngithi emadvosa ayasha emadvosa asetinkingeni and they can't talk because kuthiwa indvodza ayikhali wena la mehlo lawa ekubuka nekukhala buya stokhala buya ngidokuchazela the steps and the ladder la singathi unyathele khona in order to make it up. Umsakufele hlane akhona uNkulunkulu. Musa kuba sehluleki kuba ungazi uthi ubulale nebantu abakho. Egameni lika Jesu live your legacy, ushiye impilo lenze nempilo lenhle engelikhaya lakho nangebatali bakho nangekwakho nje kuphila chabafahle egameni lika Jesu. And lastly sengihamba ngiyatholakala kule nombolo yona leyo engacala kutholakala kiyo nga 1997 let's see 7604 5406 ngithemba nibofakazi ukuthi since 1997 ayikake yavalwa
Usiphinzele
kushata indlu kwendekani 7604 5406 solo u-on since 1997 7604 5406 is ever on. Nangabe ingekho emoyeni kube kuphela ibhetri ecingweni ngishintsha incingo inombolo angiyichange. Senginayo ke naso wazi mobile lethi ke 7971 9879 7971 9879. Noma ufuna ukukhuluma namakwa kami nasi simomotho utawushayela nale nombolo le. Noma ufuna ukusimema uthi siyohlabela utawushayela nale nombolo le. Noma ufuna ukuthi siyoshubayela ufuna siyokhulumisana utawushayela nale nombolo yona le utangithola mina la kule nombolo. Mangabe usebenzisa email ingunguluzane musicpro@gmail.com ingunguluzane musicpro@gmail.com uyakuhlanganisa lokho kuyahlukana nasothi .com. Ngale kwaloko angathi ngangishiyani lokusele ngeke sakukhuluma la ngalinye lokusele ngeke sabonisana kona la ngalinye angigcine futhi nje ngeligama lelithi empilweni yami yonke jikelele mawubona kwangathi lapha nalapha impostoli ngathi akanyatheli kahle ayibe mayuyu sicela sone khona sone ngoba sibandvu
sicela ngicela impostoli emakhafile mami ukuthi ayaphela emagama nje lamnanzi longavala ngawo isho kungimake since kuyibirthday yakhe ndokusengathile namuhla maybe yes
thank you for that chance ngingathi nje ngiyabonga ngiyabonga sithando sami for being with you here. Nekukunika lithuba lekutophiwa Tipho nginayo studio crew ngoba they can't see my flower bese abasazi ukuthi happy birthday bangitshelile ukuthi they have a surprise for you. Nami ngicela kusho ke into manje ukuthi silicalile lo hambo. Amhle uNkulunkulu yona lenyanga le ya November ingapheli officially siyashada.
I'm so humbled.
Officially we're getting married, and it's not the marriage, the event. May you continue to be the person you are showing yourself to be. Embilweni, I'll do my best to protect you and to make you the happiest woman ever in this world. So God help me.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngosiyabonga Makuluve ngosami. Sesingakhuluma kuze kushonele la. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Please subscribe, hit the notification button. Stanibona mhla ka 30 eMzimba View sina Pennyworth the Black Penny Life podcast. Akuthenga ama tickets emoji tickets dabe sikhona sonke maswati lamahle. Thank you.